Okay, let's learn the top tips to excel at physiotherapy college exams. No matter what exam you're giving, be it a rubric, be it viva, these tips will most definitely help you. Now, what are the judgment criteria? Let's have a look. So, you will be judged based upon what you're speaking and how you have organized it. What are your non-verbal skills? That is your skills that are displayed when you're not even speaking, such as your body language, your eye contact, your confidence, your fumbling, your mumbling, your nervousness, everything. And what is your overall participation in the presentation? If it is a case presentation, the overall participation is very, very important, and it is an important component in the grading as well. And how are you participating in the question and answers afterwards? So if we look at the content and organization, the examiner looks at three things. So first is, what is the planning of the presentation? First of all, your content should be logical and it should be organized. Now, if you have a huge topic to cover, please divide the topic into certain subtopics and learn and explain in the same manner. So what will happen is you will be able to finish it in time. Next is, if your content is too much or too less, that is known as sufficiency and efficiency. So you should be able to explain the content rather than just reading it. If you are in a rubric exam, sometimes when you explain it builds a good rapport with the examiner and you are likely to score more. Always avoid grammatical mistakes in your case writings as well as in your rubric PPTs, as that brings a very bad impression on the examiner. The most important part here is to always practice till you are perfect. Now, most people, even the excellent people, need to practice themselves before they are perfect. So if you are given a content, always practice it and add good vocabulary, add good words if possible. That will build a positive impression on your faculty, that you are trying, your efforts will be seen by them. The next very important thing is, do not rush but pace yourself and speak loudly and clearly. Also, about accuracy, it is very important to quote references. No matter what year of physiotherapy you are in, first year, second year, even in first year, second year, you should name the books and show that you are particularly serious about reading books, because reading books is such a rarity right now that whenever you name a book, the faculty will be impressed. So always know the authors of your references, always know the evidence-based research of your references. Next is the method of content delivery. So this is important when you are presenting a rubric. If you are presenting a rubric, always use board work, use diagrams to explain rather than just reading. If you have a good method of content delivery, that is bullet points rather than paragraphs, board work instead of just pointing out on the PPT, and having good diagrams, that will immensely help with your presentation. If you liked the content, please make sure to subscribe.